Welcome to Limited Resources Paybox Timer demonstration. Here we have two machines, washer and dryer. We've connected them via our pay boxes. First one is for the dryer. Second one is for the washer. And we're going to pull out our app here. And once we do so, we are going to start the app. We're going to hit find Paybox Timer. And we're going to go to the washer. Once we've selected the washer, it turns green. And what we're going to do is we're going to select time, let's say 60 minutes, put in our prepaid code, and as you can see, it says blue, which means it's connected via Bluetooth to our app, and we hit charge, and it sends that amount, 60 minutes, to the Paybox Timer. 0 transaction fees for prepaid codes. And we can, as that's going on, we can move over to the dryer. We find the dryer on our list here. There we see it. We're at the very top. Select dryer. Again, it will turn green, Paybox Timer connected, and we are going to select, let's say, 75 minutes to dry. We've created a prepaid code at payboxtimer.com so that once we hit select, that money is sent over to the Paybox. So there you have it. It's an hour and 14 minutes. If you'd like to reach us, our phone number is 647-931-1829. That's 647-931-1829, or you can place your order at limitedresources.us. Thank you.